So come with me as I take you to my first party in Finland. It's a graduation party, so come with me, guys. So this is me going out. It's an evening event, and it snowed crazily on that day. I guess it was the last snow of 2026. And then I had to walk to the bus stop. Little did I know that I was going to suffer. The bus, it was a weekend, so the bus comes like every 30 minutes, and I waited, and it was freezing, and the snow was piling up. Like, just look at it here. And I was there just trying to figure out the bus stop because it's quite far from home. But here I am. I discovered the bus stop, and then I was just waiting for my bus, and I was taking selfie here. I was feeling myself because I look good. Look at me, just taking snaps and just feeling myself. It was looking so good because I just made my braids, and then I was waiting for the bus to come, and I was just surveying the arena, blowing kisses to my fans and loved ones. It's February anyway, so. And then this is the celebrant. She's such a nice lady. Yeah, so she's the one graduating from school. So she graduated as a nursing student. She's a nurse. And this is me with some selfies. And then we had some music, played some Nigerian music. I'm feeling myself here. Long time no Nigerian music at the party, so and this is the first time anyway I went to any Wambe, not a Wambe, but any gathering, and I was just feeling myself. And it all was so full. She's so loved. So many people came around, and we're just partying and gisting and having fun and dancing. Of course, the music was a vibe. The music was top notch. The DJ did a great job, and then still another music. Anyways, I was just dancing, having fun. I couldn't stand up because that place was so tight, but I had fun. I danced on the chair, of course. But I had fun, and I did my makeup myself. See it popping. Yeah. The dances still continued, and I just enjoyed myself all day. So celebrants coming in. She's the one in the blue dress. She looked so gorgeous on that day. So graduating as a nursing student in Finland is a big deal. Like, if you know the stress she had gone through, you understand her jubilation. So we're so happy for her, and she's an hardworking lady. It's not an easy feat studying in Finnish as a nurse. Oh, it's such a struggle, but then when you graduate with flying colors, the excitement, the jubilation, the satisfaction, the fulfillment that wow, you graduated as a nurse, and you can walk anywhere. So that's our friends jubilating and dancing with her. We have a large community of Africans here. And then this is me finding my way home. This should be around past 9. I was dancing. Little did I know that there was a snowstorm outside. In fact, it was crazy. Look at me drenched in snow. And then, lo and behold, I missed the bus. Like, I was looking at it leave, but I was so far from the bus stop. And it snowed crazily. Look at the whole. They were even packing the snow as we were moving. I waited for another almost an hour at the bus stop because it was weekend and it was in the night. We had to wait for like over 30 minutes, like 45 minutes, and then I met some other ladies. They also missed their bus. So, and then I'm back to the bus stop, waiting for the second bus to take home. I was just feeling myself because why not if not? So I had fun on that weekend. You don't get to dance every day at parties. So thanks for watching and see you in my next video. Bye. Please like, subscribe and follow my channel. Have a great day. See you in my next one. Bye bye.